Is it heavier, Was?
Compared to the previous one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, heavier.
A bit heavy.
Right.
How long you gonna record?
That is going to take you to finish this?
Yes.
I don't know. I think you'll have it done in 15 minutes. Brembo pads there, beautiful. And then the discs I have gone for are grooved Pagid. Beautiful.
Indigo Production.
There she coming, man. She coming. There she go, man. Jet just there chilling, bro. So welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're finally changing the discs and pads. We got Jet over here, and then we got Was going to be working on it as well. Pads I've gone for is Brembo pads there, beautiful. And then the discs I have gone for are grooved Pagid. Beautiful. Yeah, there she go. Yeah.
How long you gonna record?
That is going to take you to finish this?
Yes.
I don't know. I think you'll have it done in 15 minutes.
I'll give more time for you. I'll not leave.
So what do you think? Was half an hour?
Let's see, I'll try.
Yeah. Hey, you take your time. I need footage time, eh? You see the lip starting to form. A lip over there and a lip over here. Right up top here. And it's just squealing like no tomorrow. Ah yes, he is loosening it. There we go. So what are you hammering here, what?
I'm just trying to make a space
Right.
so I can send the piston back in.
Right. Was that one a 13 mil?
Yeah, 13 with the 17 on the back.
Right. 13 and 17 out back. You know them ones, I think they send me new ones, you know.
Yeah, I will use
Yeah. Who's ringing here now? Oh, that is on. Oh yeah. They're the new ones, Brembos. Loads of pad on them. They're the old ones.
21.
21 to get that back. 2 off. That one and that one.
Looks like since long time.
Yeah.
This has not come out.
Oh, right. Right. There she go, man. It's like copy grease, that.
Yeah, it's
Different type of it.
Yeah.
Just on that.
More liquid.
Yeah. Is it heavier, Was?
Compared to the previous one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, heavier.
A bit heavy.
Right. But that's a good thing, though. They'll last longer. Yeah. Do you put copper grease in there as well, Was?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. It's not that rusty, though, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's alright. Is that a good sign, Was, that is not rusty?
Yeah.
WD-40. So do you always use WD-40?
Sometimes depend upon the situation,
Right.
the place.
That's interesting, huh?
If I use the brake cleaner here, it will make a dry.
Right.
It will not come out with the particles.
Oh, right. Interesting, see?
Now I
You learn a lot from the profession. Also, you WD-40 it first to get rid of the fit, and then you brake clean it. Right. Professional.
I have to put the brake now.
Right.
Within a second.
Oh yeah, it's already dried up. Yeah. Ah, professional was, I tell you. And then in them slots you just put copper grease, yeah.
So it will not get rusty.
The ones that come in the kit, beautiful was. That is that done. They are straight in. I mean, that's that, isn't it, Was? You smashed it too quick, mate. I think this video is not even gonna reach 10 minutes because you did it so quick. But we'll end this video here. New brakes. I'll give you obviously I won't be able to drive them. No harsh braking in it, Was.
Yeah.
Just let them settle in, and then yeah. But they'll be a lot better than that, and they won't heat up as much as them. So more POV drives. Yeah. See you in the next one.